Delhi today, sir?
Delhi, I may go. I have lot of work in Delhi because Parliament is coming.
Which session?
I have to meet all the Parliament members.
Winter session.
No winter session because they have to take forward some of our projects and our, with God grace, with Almighty, and the court has given us justice.
But make it
So I have to discuss on this Mekedat issue. Myself, my CM is discussing. We want to call all party.
any hurdle,
ಕೇಳು ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗ ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ
any hurdle, sir?
ಮಾತಾಡಕಂತ ಕೇಳು. We have to go. We have to discuss. There is a Mekkejoda issue. Maize issue is there. The central government is not supporting for the maize. 2,400 is the price fixed by them. The market price is only 1,600 to 1,800. So central government is not helping the farmers. So we have to go and request. So we have decided to call a meeting of all the owners of the factories. So then we have to request the Delhi to take over and give buy it. So we wanted to discuss on that.
Sir, any hurdle in Mekedat issue?
Mekedat, what is there? There is no. It is the responsibility of the central government, CWC. Nothing in the court. Court has said that there is no powers for us. It is not our job.
Sir, so when do you plan to go, sir? When do you plan to go to Delhi?
Definitely, I'll go to Delhi. Because see, Delhi is our temple. Delhi is our temple. We have to go there. All of us are without Delhi. Nothing can go. Congress party is a party with a big history, and always Delhi will guide us. We may rule here. Ultimately, we have a policy contained to the whatever the policies of the Congress party and the constitution. We have to work by that. So we will go to Delhi whenever they call me and the party leaders, including my chief minister. We will go there.
So the Vocaligas here seem to be upset.
I don't want any of community angle. I have my own angle. My community is Congress community. Congress is my community. They, of course, I may belong to one community. They may like me. That is different. My love is there to all sections of the society. It may be a backward class, it may be a scheduled caste, it may be a minorities, everyone. Even Vocaligas are backward class people. So
you went to Mumbai for a personal program, sir.
No,
that has been read in different ways. BJP and others.
No, I don't want any BJP read it. I had a personal meeting with one of my friends who has been hospitalized, who was not well. I went to meet him. He had helped me. And some educationist, he was also. Myself and other one school also, Mr. Suresh also was with me. We went to meet him. We were there for 1 hour and I returned back midnight itself.
So large number of party workers want you to take charge as CM, sir.
I don't want anything.
People.
I don't want it. I'm not hurrying anything. My party will take at the right time.